Hi, so I'm standing outside the mall right now and I have just purchased stuff from Rrae Beauty, जो I'll just show you when I get home. What's up guys? तो मैं कल गई थी Sephora because as you all know Rrae Beauty has launched in India and इतना सारा fanfare and इतना hype. The website crashed last night when it launched at 12 midnight. मैंने जो पढ़ा on Instagram and all over the news that the website crashed literally within half an hour. Lip oils and everything सब sold out था. So I don't generally shop from the website for like cosmetics because I like to go in store. तो वैसे भी I was going to go and I totally went to the store to Sephora and picked up some Rrae Beauty stuff. So as this video goes along, I'll be telling you my experience there. Also my face is very bare because I plan to try all this यहाँ आपके साथ. So जब मैं कल Sephora गई, first of all there was like literally nothing. एक भी lip oil नहीं बचा था. There was just one last one जिसका नाम था Joy. That was it. This is the bill because this is all purchased by me. Let's straight get down to it. The first thing I'll share with you are the Positive Light Hydrant Tint. This is the tinted moisturizer. So अभी इनके पास जो है foundation में they literally did not have shades. They had like 5 shades in the foundation. तो I was like actually उनके पास कुछ 45 shades है, right? I could only find one. They had 5 in the Sephora and मैं सिर्फ एक ही obviously एक ही ले सकती थी because the pricings are ooh la la as आप सबको पता है. This is a tinted moisturizer basically, पर ये है एक it is like a foundation very sheer coverage. The tinted moisturizer retails for 3,900. Yes, so that is that. तो इसको हम बाद में try करेंगे and of course I'll give you close-ups of all the bottles and stuff what they look like. The other thing is the luminizers. Like everybody's talking about the lip oils and the lip souffles and stuff and I'll tell you my views on those. लेकिन if you are a highlight girl like me, I'm very particular about highlighters. पर ये जो थे the highlighters are so bomb. I can't even tell you. इतने bomb highlighters हैं. Just check this out. And another thing is the packaging. Inside every box जब आप खोलोगे, it's written you are Rrae. It's such a cute little thing. I don't think a lot of people have noticed this, but अंदर यहाँ पर हर box में लिखा है you are Rrae. Very cute and it brought a smile to my face. तो ये जो है, this is the liquid highlighter. The liquid luminizer is 3,200. So इसमें 4 या 5 shades है. One is a beautiful very dark brown. फिर champagne है. There is one pure white and there is this, which has got a slight pinky tone to it. And if you see the bottle, it's got like very cute. ये जो छोटा सा है, it is probably to open it, very easily ताकि हर आदमी इसको खोल सके. So let's try that right here on camera. Yep, it opened up super easy. And I picked up 2. This is the Positive Light Silky Touch highlighter. ये है inside छोटा सा जो very cute packaging. Again यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है you are Rrae. So cute. This is the packaging and it's a very cute packaging. छोटी सी है and one thing I really like कि बहुत easily खुल जाती है. So it just opens up, not like mango बहुत मुश्किल है खोलने में. Look at this. Just check this out. ये मैं जब आपको swatch करके दिखाऊंगी you are gonna be like oh wow. So उसके बाद मैंने लिया है the Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer. The Liquid Touch Concealer is for 2,800. All right. But it is a very nice product. इसको मैंने वहीं पे try किया जो the makeup artist जो थी, she helped me try it on. So beautiful, so flawless because I have planned to not waste my money on something जो मुझे बहुत overhype लगे या बहुत because I'm like बहुत हो चुका है. I've wasted a lot of money that way. So and also I intend कि ये the things I've picked up are all the ones which I really liked and मुझे जो लगा कि they are like worth the money. So I hope it helps you also to choose कि आपको क्या लेना है और क्या नहीं. Alright, so here is the another bottle. इनकी packing वैसी ही है. This here is the liquid. This is the liquid concealer. Again, let's just try this here. Very easy to open. I really like that. And this is what it looks like. इसका तो shade जो है, I matched this with my MAC shade and it is pretty मिलता जुलता. I did not pick up the mascara, neither the eyeliner and वो जो eyeshadow palette थी, for the simple reason कि मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा like I didn't find them worth the money because हर चीज़ is around 3K, so I don't want to pay 3K for a liner. Sorry, I have got really good working ones by Maybelline and L'Oreal, so I'm very happy with them. बल्कि जिम में I wear it for 2 hours and sweat like a horse and कुछ नहीं होता उनको. Mascaras, I have got bomb mascaras from Maybelline, so I'm not going to spend that much on a simple mascara. And uske wands and all, they just didn't impress me. The eyeshadow palette was like not so great, only simple little cute thing. I mean ये सब तीनों चीज़ें मुझे worth नहीं लगी. Neither did I find the जो brow है, it's raining outside. The brow का the brow palette जो था छोटा सा, it was very very generic, like it's like any other palette आपको नायका वायका पे कहीं पे भी मिल जाएगी. So why would I spend 3K on something so like not happening. Okay, so this is the lip souffle matte lip cream जो इतना ज़्यादा hype था. तो इसमें काफ़ी colors थे, लेकिन स्टॉक्स उतने हैं नहीं, एंड a lot of things are not in stock. Like there were 5 shades of foundation, जबकि I think 40-45 हैं. Concealers के shades नहीं थे, so let's just hope they start stocking up. So this is such a pretty color. ये है काफ़ी deep berry type और ये इतना cute, very pigmented, and they are such यूनिक शेड्स. ये आपके जेनरिक बेरी चेरी वैसे नहीं है, दे आर लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट. वो मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा, लाइक दैट इज वेयर आई फाउंड द हाइप रियली टू बी वर्थ इट, राइट? ओके, द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द स्टे वल्नरेबल मेल्टिंग ब्लश. एक बात आई लव इज सच अ वेरिएबल शेड रेंज. लाइक आपको लिटरली यू विल फाइंड शेड्स फॉर एवरी स्किन टोन, एवरी रेस, एवरी टाइप. आई रियली लव दिस गाय. दिस वॉज द स्टे वल्नरेबल मेल्टिंग ब्लश. इसके मैंने 2 लिए हैं. द मेल्टिंग ब्लश इज फॉर 2800. ये रहा ये ब्लश. गाइज व्हेन आई टेल यू दिस इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. ये जब मैंने लिप्स पे लगाया, फ्रिकिंग फेल इन लव. आई जनरली डोंट गो फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ टोन्स. ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क लगते हैं, लाइक वेरी वेरी आई डोंट नो, आई फाइंड देम, बट दिस इज सो डिफरेंट. लुक एट द पैकेजिंग. It's so adorable, so cute. I just want you to check out this little packaging. Very easy to use. एक चीज़ मैंने देखी, the packaging is open very very easily, and I love that. This is just going to open like that. It closes with a little bit of a magnetic closure. So this stitch and that, and it is so cute, so cute. I really like इसकी packaging. मैं I'm not generally very much into packaging, लेकिन इसका मुझे बहुत प्यारा लगा. It's shining so cute. This is nearly berry. So I took 2 blushes. The second one is nearly mauve. Yeah, ये है nearly mauve. The cute little thing. You are rare, very cute. And this looks like this. See that? Very pretty shade, very pretty shade. ये इतना shine कर रहा है. It's giving such a classy, glam look. मुझे इसकी packaging पे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फिदा हूँ. So this is what this looks like. ये दोनों ही मेरे जनरली आई गो फॉर वेरी लाइट काइंड ऑफ ब्लशेस, बट दिस टाइम मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया एंड दैट इटसेल्फ शोज कि ये ब्लशेस जो हैं दे आर सो डिफरेंट. दैट वाज इट, एंड आई हैव नथिंग एक्सेप्ट जस्ट वन जेनरिक लिपस्टिक आई पिक्ड अप फ्रॉम सेफोरा. बैग खाली है एंड हियर इज माय इनवॉइस. सो लेट्स गेट डाउन टू स्वॉचिंग इट नाउ. Okay guys, I hope I'm zoomed in enough now. तो चलिए let's try the moisturizer first. ये है tinted moisturizer. It is like this and it has this kind of a like squeeze bottle kind of a thingy. तो आप थोड़ा सा ले लीजिए on the back of your hand. Okay, are you coming out or not? Am I supposed to pierce this or something? So okay, मैंने जाके इसका जो top है I had to cut it with a little knife because I think इसके ऊपर it was fully sealed, which I really like. मुझे बहुत पसंद है वो. So let's get down to this. Oh, I think this is going to be a bit too much. चलिए try करते हैं इसको. So I'm going to start. Oh my God, I'm sure I've taken too much. I'm going to do this on camera. ये पता नहीं पहली बार life में. I'm not a makeup artist. God, इसको please अच्छे से जाइए. Let it go nicely. Okay, fine. I'm going to start blending this out now. Oh my God, I think oh my God, the pigmentation is fucking awesome, man. So I'm going to start doing this with my beauty blender, so I don't look like a complete monkey because ये बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया था. इसको मुझे बहुत ही थोड़ा काटना था. If you do this, guys, remember जो अभी मेरे साथ हुआ है, the bottle wasn't open and I am like I have got way too much. So इसको मैं ठीक से blend करके वापस आती हूँ. Oh my God, guys, this is so pigmented, like oh, and it is very beautiful. ये जो है मेरे face पे बहुत ही natural glow ला रहा है. I'm just blending it out with my blender, and this is what it's looking like. I just hope ये ज़्यादा white नहीं दिख रहा हो, because अगर दिख रहा है तो it's not the shade. Hopefully it's just मैंने इतना ज़्यादा ले लिया था just squeeze out a small amount, and when if you're cutting it, so like be sure you just take a small prick because ये product बहुत pigmented था. Next up is going to be the concealer. So here is the concealer. ये मुझे MUA ने जो वहाँ पे लगाया था first, but then I used my fingers. She encouraged me. And the ये जो है, if you can see that, I don't know how to show this. इसका जो ये wand है ना, ये up ऊपर की तरह slope कर रहा है. इसका जो wand है ये ऊपर की तरह slope कर रहा है. It's not really a doe foot wand. It's got a different. It's something very different. Is there a little heart inside it or what? Hold on. First, I'll just use it here for the moment because जो foundation था, like the moisturizer, it has done most of the job of a concealer. Oh God, guys, I hope you can see the pigmentation is killer. ये pigmentation like oh. अब मुझे realize हो रहा है what they are saying when they mean that the product will last you literally forever. Please, if I'm looking like a monkey, you gotta excuse me. I just want to show you the swatches and the way the products work. I am not a professional makeup artist, but this is the best I can do. Oh, guys, I'm so impressed when it comes to concealers. I'm faithful to MAC for I don't know how many years, लेकिन MAC has found its rival. इसका जो consistency है बहुत creamy, it's very creamy and it's literally like liquid skin. Because I don't have a big mirror with me, so I'm going to give you the best that I can. So that. Now let's get down to the blushes, shall we? Let's go for the darker one because ये कैमरा पे ज़्यादा अच्छे से show up होगा. So let's start with this guy. I'm going to swatch it first for you. Did you see that? Just one little tap. अब इसको हम जाते हैं cheeks पे लगाते हैं. I totally get this. Oh my God, I don't know if the camera इसको बराबर pick up कर पा रहा है. Oh my God, the pigmentation is crazy, bro. Oh my God, I'm in love. I'm in love. मेरे cheeks इतने cute कभी नहीं दिखे. Oh my God, I'm in love with my own cheeks. So pretty, so pretty. यार इसका अब मैं समझ रही हूँ why the hype. Guys, you have to try this blush, this moisturizer. I think like okay, ये एक cheek पे था. Let's try out. ये था very berry. Let's try out the mauve, nearly mauve. ये जो है the nearly mauve on the other cheek, ताकि हम proper cartoons लग सके. इसको मैं ज़्यादा नहीं डैप करूँगी because ये काफ़ी pigmented है. And I can tell you one thing. If you are a deeper toned woman, this is going to look so beautiful on you. मतलब I can't even. I've heard some people say कि K by Katrina has similar blushes, लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता because I've never used that brand. But this is a different ball game. I mean, I hope अभी जो भी है just to show you, this one is nearly mauve or this one is very berry. Yeah, the berry one. Okay. Now coming down to the lip souffle. ये इतना पिगमेंटेड है because ये भी मेरे वहाँ ट्राई किया. Obviously I've tried them all and Sephora wasn't allowing filming, so that was अभी my lips are bare. चलिए चलते हैं. Did you see that? Guys, मुझे लगता है ये एक बॉटल आपको 3-4 साल तो चलेगी. This is the only lipstick मैं लाई हूँ and this is making me look in real life जैसे कि like it's a part of my skin. ये कोई नहीं बोलेगा मेकअप है. It is just looking like it's a part of my skin. Now I'm coming down to my most favorite product. ये मेरा दिल मेरी जान. चलो इसको मैं पहले आपको एक छोटा सा swatch देती हूँ. वहाँ पे the technician was like just try it ma'am, how buttery it is. And this is butter. This is butter. And the shine of this is unreal. Okay, let me just. Did you see that? Let me give you one more. मैं एक बात याद रखिए, this is not my perfect makeup application क्योंकि मेरे पास बड़ा मिरर नहीं है. I'm just using this and I'm just trying to use the viewfinder. तो I hope आपको clearly पता लग रहा हो how pigmented this is. I am in love with the highlighters. I heard some people say इसमें chunky है, glittery है. मुझे तो कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं लगा. And here is again the applicator जो थोड़ा ऊपर की तरफ slope हो रहा है. I really don't get that, but I don't give a damn because it is so good. आपको दिख रहा है, आई होप. So let me use them both, then I'm going to tell you my verdict कि इन दोनों में से better कौन सा लगा मुझे. Here another tab, maybe another tab here. I have always wanted to try out a liquid kind of a highlighter, but you know I never got a good one. इस highlighter में 5 shades हैं. One is a dark brown, there's champagne, there's white, and there's this pinky one, the one I'm using. So this. Okay. So I don't know if you can tell, लेकिन ये जो है जो pan में है, this one is a bit, the accelerate shade है मेरा highlighter का. This shade is accelerate. This one is a bit more brighter and it's shining a bit more than the liquid one. So I think अगर आपको थोड़ा subtle अच्छा लगता है, so this would be the one for you. Like subtle highlighters, this would be the one for you. And if you're like me and you want to go over the top, then this is the guy for you. So a little bit. Basically मैं आपको एक swatch ही दिखा देती हूँ. Just that, and it is shining so much. Let me show you a swatch of this. I'm going to do this here, so ये आपको बराबर से दिखे. Definitely ये वाला जो है थोड़ा सा subtle है उससे. So, but it's still beautiful. So this is all from me. मेरा ये था makeup tutorial. Which I'm not a makeup artist. Since I'm not an MUA, this tutorial is not a makeup tutorial. ये just है, this tutorial is just for like, you know, to help you with the swatches and get an idea of all the things I've purchased. कि मैंने literally हर चीज़ यहाँ पे आपके साथ swatch कर दी है. And to go over the whole thing, there were no lip oils available, and मैं lip oil से बहुत impressed हूँ ही नहीं. I don't know what it is. I'm not like really crazy about the lip oils. मैं शायद एक ले लूँ when they come back in stock, but it's just not my jam. I don't know. The blushes are, I have no words. You have to go and try them and get yourself at least one. अगर आपके पास budget है, if you're on a budget, so I would suggest my most favorite ones personally जो मुझे पसंद आए, which I think you should splurge your money on if you're like just buy one product, would be the blushes, the liquids, the lip souffle, and the, you know, like of course the highlighters and the tinted moisturizer. The tinted moisturizer is very beautiful. Foundation मुझे मेरा shade ही नहीं मिला, so मैं खरीद नहीं पाई. I was very interested in foundation because I just have half bottle of MAC left and I'm using a Fit Me one. I just don't have other foundation, so I was on the market for a foundation, लेकिन वो हो नहीं पाया. Well, that is all from me. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments down below, and I will see you guys soon in my next one. इसको ज़रूर share कीजिए इस video को. I usually don't even say that, but I think this will help a lot of people who may be on a budget and who may not know what to buy. So you can skip the entire eye range and just go on to the face part of it. So I hope you give this a thumbs up if you liked it, if you found it helpful, and please इसको ज़रूर share करें. So take care of yourself, stay beautiful. I'll see you soon. Bye.